A new controversy has started after puja and namaz at the historic Bhojshala in Dhar district. On Friday, Basant Panchami and Juma fell on the same day, so the administration made special legal and security arrangements. Heavy police force was deployed in and around the complex. Hindu devotees performed continuous havan and puja from sunrise to sunset. At the same time, the administration allowed Juma namaz from 1 pm to 3 pm in a fixed and limited area of the Bhojshala premises. After the event, the Muslim side raised objections. On Saturday, Muslim community President Abdul Samad held a press conference and made serious allegations against the administration. He said they had clearly informed officials that namaz should be offered at the decided place and with limited people only. He accused the administration of betrayal and claimed that a dummy namaz was conducted in their name, which is not acceptable. The Muslim side has objected strongly and demanded action from the authorities. Basant Panchami celebration in Dhar ended peacefully on Friday. Puja at Bhojshala and namaz at Kamal Maula Mosque were completed without any incident. After a successful duty, police personnel celebrated on Saturday. A video showed policemen dancing on DJ music. The video later went viral on social media. Officials said managing both religious events was a big challenge. Police presence helped maintain peace and order. However, the celebration video has raised question among people. Some users praised the police for peaceful duty while others questioned the timing of the celebration. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav arrived in Ujjain. He was welcomed at the helipad by public representatives and administrative officers. The Chief Minister will stay in Ujjain on January 25th. During his visit, he will inaugurate and lay foundation stones for several development works. These projects are related to health, education, sports and infrastructure. Officials said the visit is important for the development of the city. Security arrangements have been tightened due to the Chief Minister's program in the religious city. Havaldar Shailendra Singh Bhadoria from Bhind was martyred during a search operation in Jammu's Doda district. On Saturday morning, his last rites were performed with full state honors in his native village Chitabli in Ated area. His 6-year-old son Bhavesh led the funeral pyre. The emotional moment moved everyone present. Army officers, local leaders and villagers paid tribute to the brave soldier. The entire village gathered to honor him. Patriotic slogans were raised as the martyr was laid to rest with respect. A tragic road accident took place in Ujjain on Friday night. A speeding car went out of control near Lohana Kuti petrol pump in Barnagar police area. The car hit the divider and flipped 5 times on the road. The incident was captured on a nearby CCTV camera. The driver Govardhan Das Bairagi from Jaloria village died on the spot. He worked as a driver in a private company. Police reached the spot and started investigations. Officials advised people to avoid overspeeding. A major robbery occurred in Vidisha district Raikheri Dham area. Armed robbers entered a house through the roof late at night. They threatened the family and locked them in a room. The robbers looted gold and silver jewelry weighing about 45 tolas and cash worth rupees 8 lakh. The total value of the loot is around rupees 77 lakhs. The incident happened between 12:30 am to 1 am. Police have registered a case and started search operation to catch the accused. Weather changed again in Madhya Pradesh on Saturday. Many areas experienced fog in the morning and cold wind during the day. Due to this daytime temperature drop in Gwalior Chambal region, Datia was the coldest city with a maximum temperature of 18.6 degrees Celsius. The temperature dropped by 9 degrees in one day. Khajuraho also recorded a fall of 8 degrees with temperature at 21.4 degrees Celsius. The meteorological department said cold condition may continue for the next few days.